My dear student, welcome to all in this live class. Today I will discuss about the chapter 1, our environment. Our environment, that means where you are also living and surrounding all situation and the conditions who form which types of the conditions for the survival of life known as the environment. Environment classified into two parts, natural environment and the human-made environment. What is the natural environment? Natural environment means all things or the situations who form by the natures and who found and create by the natures. Under the natural environment, we will also discuss about the physical environment. Physical, that means who provide by the natures. For the example, mountainous areas, forest zones, climatic conditions, flow of the waters and storms, etc., who parts of the atmosphere are the parts of the physical or the natural environment. Natural environment, that means all things or the every situations who form in the nature but affected to all living things and the non-living things on the earth. So, we will also discuss about our environment. Main themes or the points of this chapter is the first is what is environment. Environment, that means where I live, you live, surrounding situation is also called the environment. There are two types of the environment. You can also see in the flow charts. Flow chart. In the flow charts, first is the environment. Environment. Environment divided into two parts. First is natural and second is human made or the human environment. Human environment. Natural environment means a situation or the conditions who found in the natures. So it is also called the natural environment. Natural environment also subdivided into two parts. Number one is the biotic. Another is the abiotic. Biotic resource, biotic environment, that means all living things who form to the situation or the condition for survival of life. So known as the biotic environment. Under the biotic environment, we will also discuss about the biosphere. Biosphere, what is the biosphere? Biosphere means interaction of the physical environment and the human-made environment interact each other, but you can say physical, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere when interact each other and form a third sphere known as the biosphere. So under the biosphere, all animals plant species, human beings, all insects, creatures, etc. are the example of the biotic environment. Under the biotic environment, you will also study about the lithosphere. Here also I have given some points related with the biotic resource environment. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, then atmosphere, then biosphere. These are the parts of the biotic environment. First is the lithosphere. What is the lithosphere? Earth surface, under the earth surface, and on the earth surface, which types of the conditions available for the survival of life, known as the lithosphere. Under the lithosphere, you can also discuss about the earth crust, mantle, and the core. But environmental situation create over the earth or on the surface of the earth. So only you will also discuss, or we can also discuss about the earth crust. You know, earth crust also divided into two parts. Earth crust divided into two categories or the parts. First is the earth continental crust. Another is the oceanic crust. First is the continental crust. And another is the oceanic crust. Continental crust, that means all continents on the earth. For the example, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These continents who form to the life or the biosphere conditions known as the continental crust. On the continental crust, continent also formed or the made by the rocks and other elements, that means minerals and other things. So it is also important sphere for the environment. Another is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water bodies who found in the nature, who found on the glacier, found in the rivers, oceans, seas, in the water vapors and rainwater, precipitations, etc., and even underground of the water. These parts of the water bodies known as the and form to the hydrospheric environment. And atmosphere also form to the life. You know, without oxygen cannot be life possible on the earth. Without carbon dioxide cannot be life possible of the plant species. So different materials for the survival of life or the form of the environment obtained from the atmosphere. And you know, when three spheres interconnect each other, then form the biosphere. So, biosphere is the very important features of the environment. Now, we will also discuss about the important features of the lithosphere. Important features of the lithosphere is this point. First is it is also rocky sphere. It is also made through the different process, that means different elements, different minerals, then rocks. There are three types of the rocks, parts of the lithosphere: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. You know, a granite who used in the form or built of the buildings and temples or other built of the industries, floor, etc. use of the granite, and granite is the parts of the lithosphere. And igneous rocks, it is also obtained from the igneous rocks. And you know, black soil formed after the decomposition of the different materials or the humus who meet in the sediments. So, and black soil also formed after the black soil formed from the black salts, etc. So, you can say it is also very important features of the environment. Under the hydrosphere, you know, without water cannot be life possible. So, for the drinking of water, washing, industrial development, agricultural farming, irrigation system, all systems also dependent on the hydrosphere. Without hydrosphere cannot be survive of life on the earth's surface. So it is also important features of the environment. You know, beneath of the earth, sea, different materials also obtained from the oceans. You know, different creatures, animals also living in the water and survive of life and dependent on the hydrosphere. So, it is also important parts of the survival of life. And atmosphere is the mixture of the gases. Already you have also studied in the class 6. Under this atmosphere, you have also studied about the nitrogen, 78%, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide CO2 0.6%, and other gases. Under the other gases, you have also studied about the argon, helium, neon, ozone, krypton, and so on. So these gases also important of the atmosphere because ozone's layer cannot be possible life on the surface. You know, a ozone layer protect ourselves from the ultraviolet rays, a dangerous rays. So atmosphere protect us. Atmosphere provide oxygen, carbon dioxide for survival of life. For the breathing, we use the oxygen. and obtained from the atmosphere. Atmosphere divided into 5 layers. Atmosphere divided into 5 layers. First layer, atmosphere. Atmosphere divided 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere is the very important part because in this layer for the survival of life, important gases also obtained. All climatic conditions occur in this sphere. So, a troposphere is the important features, important parts. In the stratosphere, constant of the temperature, not high, not low, but jet Viman also run through this atmosphere layer. Next is the mesosphere. Under the mesosphere, you have also studied about the different ultraviolet rays also protected from this sphere. And thermosphere, very hot layer, and that has also available different conditions for the rays. Sound waves also obtained from the thermosphere. In aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere, aurora australis in the southern hemisphere, colorful rays or the gases also seen in the thermosphere. But exosphere, uppermost layer of the atmosphere, it is also important, but after this layer start the space. So, these are the parts of the atmosphere. Now, important features of the sphere. Important features, under the important features, first is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is layer that surrounded us. Number 2, this layer is thicker than the other layer. It is also very thicker layer, troposphere. And the atmosphere is very important for us. Now, we will also discuss about the important parts of the biosphere. Biosphere means all living things, plant species, animal species, insects, and others so on. All things are the parts of the biosphere. Biosphere, that means lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. When interconnected each other, then form the biosphere. So, biosphere is the very important parts of the environment. Now, we will also discuss about the ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? Ecosystem means physical environment and human-made environment who both interconnect and form a system of the life. Then that is called the ecosystem. Ecosystem also divided into two parts, positive and the negative. For the example, we use of the forest, cutting of the trees for the build of the furnitures, form of the furnitures, everything, and other things also for or the made, and with the help of trees. So it is also the positive, but depletion of the trees, example of the negative, and damage to the environment, it is also parts of the negative. So positive and negative, two parts of the ecosystem. Now last part is the conservation of the ecosystem. You can also conserve the ecosystem due to the discriminative use of the anything. Number two, judicious use of the environmental conditions and follow all parts, all things by the human awareness. So, environmental balance possible after the conservation of the ecosystem. Thank you.